So in yesterday's video, we installed the S&B intake kit on my 2018 Silverado, and there was quite a few people that were asking about warranty. So I figured rather than just giving a generalized statement of yes or no, I figured I'd come on here because S&B does have this pretty extensive 1 million mile limited warranty that they offer. They have it on their website. It's pretty wordy, and I might decipher some of it incorrectly. So if you're from S&B and you hear me say something incorrect, correct me in the comments. This is just how I'm reading it and how I understand it, so it could potentially be wrong. Just throwing that out there, don't sue me. But they do right off the bat have this 1 million mile limited warranty, and then they have up here that it is S&B engine protection limited warranty. Your vehicle warranty is safe. So they want you to feel comfortable buying this intake knowing that you're not going to void your warranty, because the last thing you want to do is spend 300 bucks to gain a little bit of whatever, only to have your engine blow up, not even necessarily from this kit, but the dealer blame it on this kit and you be liable for all the damage costs. I would say they make you feel pretty good by the way all this is. Whether or not anyone has had to go through this and has actually won these cases or whatever, I don't know. But I figured we'd jump into it and read this whole thing. It's going to be pretty wordy. I guess right off the bat, we'll just say, basically, if you do nothing but put this kit on here and just drive your truck totally normal, just on the street, you're not racing or doing literally anything aside from just driving it normally, you're going to be perfectly fine, and they will stand behind you if you need them to step in if your dealer is trying to deny your warranty work due to having this filter on there. However, there's a lot of things that they will cancel your warranty for, whether it be off-roading or racing, highway, or an event like a drag strip. Any other modifications like that, they'll kind of ditch this warranty, and it's up to them. It says right here that it's up to them to decide whether or not your particular case falls in to their guidelines, and they'll decide whether or not they want to do anything about it. So it's, you know, it's real wordy. Hopefully none of us will ever have to use this. For people that don't watch the whole video and really get into the depths of this, if you just drive your truck like a normal truck, don't do anything weird or crazy, it should be perfectly fine. Your warranty should not have any issue, and if they do need to step in, they will. But for anyone that maybe does a little bit more with their truck or has had other intake kits or anything, we're going to get into this. Read this. I'm by no means a great reader, so I'm sure I will butcher some of this, and I'll have it playing on screen or something so that y'all can read along or whatever. And then a link to it as well in the description if you want to see the full thing. But we're going to jump down here to the main part of it where it says S&B Engine Protection Limited Warranty. Your vehicle's warranty is safe. S&B commits that our customers will not be charged for a repair due to the manufacturer denying the warranty claim because of the presence of an S&B intake kit or OE replacement filter. We warrant that using the S&B intake kit or OE filter will not result in the denial of your vehicle's warranty. The original purchaser of the vehicle and S&B product is covered by the S&B warranty against any engine damage occurring as a direct result of using properly installed S&B product on the specific vehicle that its use was intended. We'll jump down a little bit. In order to be eligible for our engine protection limited warranty, you must properly maintain your cleanable filter by using precision cleaning and oiling kit. So that's their own stuff. The correct amount of oil must be used to apply to the filter after cleaning it in order to perform properly and be eligible for the warranty protection. So stuff like that is a little dicey, because how do you know exactly how much to oil? And then they kind of have the say-so whether or not they want to do any of this warranty stuff. So at the end of the day, if you put a little bit too much oil, your engine blows up, and it's not even a result from the filter, but they see there's too much oil, then they could be like, oh, well, you're on your own, bud. So I don't know. I don't know if they would do that. So here's where it talks about if you're not the original owner or if you've used a competitor's intake prior to this. If you are not the original owner of the vehicle, or if you have previously used another company's intake/filter, you must have the vehicle inspected by a dealer who is also authorized to sell new vehicles, so that we can be sure that the engine is in good condition prior to installing the S&B product. Which, that's fair. They don't want you to be a crummy guy that goes on here and you have an engine that's knocking, you slap on this filter, and then you try to get them to warranty it, or them to push the dealership to warranty it. That's totally understandable. So basically what they're saying is you got to take it to the dealership, them give you the green light to say this thing's perfectly fine, there's no issues with it. Then you install the intake, and then they got your back. Is the engine warranty still valid if a tuner or programmer has been used on the vehicle? Because most people do an intake and a tune, right? Because that's how you're going to really get your power out rather than just the filter. S&B's engine warranty is still valid if you have altered the software of the vehicle. However, engine warranty will only cover damage to a turbo. S&B must make this change in our engine warranty when the vehicle's software has been altered, because there are too many situations where S&B might be incorrectly blamed for damage caused by making the change of the vehicle's software. So if I read that right, the engine warranty will only cover damage to a turbo. So I'm assuming they're talking diesel here. They don't cover the engine itself from tuning, but they cover the turbo. Engine warranty will only cover damage to a turbo. So the filtration part of it, not really the making the power part of it. Fraudulent claims, it just talks about people being crummy people and basically trying to scam S&B to warranty their crap. So here's the pretty cool part where it talks about if the dealer is trying to deny your warranty claim due to having the filter on there. If you've obeyed all the guidelines, this is what's up. S&B will expeditiously reimburse our customer for the cost of the repair if a dealer denies the warranty repair as a result of the claim of the S&B intake or OE replacement filter caused the damage to your engine/vehicle. In order to receive reimbursement, S&B requires each of the following: document to the dealer, provide written documentation from the dealer that the dealer faults the S&B intake or filter that is required repair work or refusal of warranty coverage. You or the dealer must provide S&B with all the allegedly damaged parts. Many states have laws requiring a dealer to retain all replaced parts until receive consent from the customer to dispose of the parts. S&B will pay for the shipping costs to receive the parts. So they basically want you to send it to them for them to check it out. You will need to provide proof of purchase of S&B products and your assistance in helping us. We will investigate the claim. Original purchaser of vehicle and prior use. Provide proof that you are the original owner of the vehicle. You must also indicate that no other intake or filter other than stock has been used on the vehicle and that the vehicle's programming has never been changed with tune or programming. I don't really know exactly where they stand, if I'm being totally honest. I don't know exactly, because there is, like I said, it's real wordy. It's a little weird. We're gonna jump back up here to the top and read through this. It says S&B is firmly committed to providing our customers with the best-in-class, reliable products from authorized dealers. S&B products purchased from authorized dealers by the original purchaser are backed by S&B's million-mile limited warranty when used under typical conditions and on vehicles which they are designed. If one of our products is not performing properly or is defective, S&B will replace it. S&B will not be responsible for any consequential, indirect, contingent, special, or other damages not outlined in this warranty. If you purchase S&B products from an unauthorized dealer, or if the original factory serial number has been removed, defaced, or altered, your S&B limited warranty will not be valid. Unfortunately, there is some websites and dealers who claim to be authorized S&B resellers but are not. S&B products sold to unauthorized websites or unauthorized dealers do not carry a S&B warranty. When you purchase products from an unauthorized website or dealer, you are taking a risk because these products may be counterfeit, used, or defective. Please protect yourself by ensuring that you're purchasing S&B products from an S&B authorized dealer. Basically what they're saying is buy it from them or somebody that they allow to sell it, which would make sense. I bought mine from AmericanTrucks.com. I would assume they're an authorized dealer. Talk about warranty on the elbows. They got a 5-year warranty. Competitors are basically saying that some of their filters can go on competitors' intake kits, but they are not responsible because you probably had the competitor's filter on there prior. But then I guess it goes back to the other thing where they said if you go get it checked out by a authorized dealer that sells new vehicles, then you can get back into the warranty thing. So after reading all that, it is kind of confusing whether or not you'd really be covered. Like I said in the beginning, if you're just a normal driver that just has this intake, original owner, purchased from a licensed dealer, you're probably going to be covered under this, but there is so many stipulations that kind of gives them an out. I'm not saying this is a bad thing. I'm saying they've got their own butt covered very well. My pretty simple solution to this is just keep your factory unit, and then if you have any issues where you have to go back to the dealership, put it back on. The only tricky thing I think that I really don't fully understand is the whole tuning thing, because it sounded like that was more directed at diesels rather than the gas trucks or cars. So I really don't have you a straight answer for that, whether or not if you are in fact tuning your truck, they will stand behind it and still try to enforce the dealer to warranty your stuff, because I can totally see why the dealer would be like, listen, you have a totally different calibration than what comes stock. Why would we want to warranty your engine that blew up because you took the rev limiter off or you took the speed limiter off? Or like, you gotta look at it through a normal person's brain, see both sides of it. Hopefully this video somewhat told you. I mean, it's kind of tricky. Definitely comment down below if you understood some of it better, or you have some true insight, you've dealt with this, or if you work for S&B, for sure, comment down below, let us know. So that should answer the question. Little ramble video. I figured enough people asked me about it, I'd make a video for it. So like I said, hopefully you did enjoy. See y'all in the next one.